For this installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Begin in the trunk. Insert your screwdriver into the gap on the side of the light to push in the locking tab and pry it free. Pull the assembly down and you can see how pushing in the locking clip will free it from the car. There are 2 more locking clips holding the light together. Insert your screwdriver into the back and release each clip. You'll now be able to take the light apart. Rotate the bulb until the tip on the end is vertical and pull the bulb out. Replace with the LED bulb and rotate it until the chips are facing down. Push the cover back on until it locks. Push one side of the assembly in first and then push up the other side. When we measure the light output, the lux of the LED is more than 10 times brighter than the incandescent bulb. A huge difference to light up your whole trunk.